Hello, and welcome to our first pro tip for shopjacksoncontrol.com. My name is Lauren Koval, and I help run our online shop. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to download spec sheets, warranty information, installation guides that are all available for each of our parts on our site. The first way to go about this would be to type in the individual part that you're looking for. So I'm just going to select this relay here. And as you can see, we have a spec sheet and warranty information right here that you are able to click on and download at your leisure. The second way to go about it is using our projects tool. So you're going to hover over your account, click on projects. You can either create a project or you might have one already existing. I'm going to click on my example project here that I've created. So I have many parts on here from different manufacturers. And at the very top, I'm going to hover over this Actions button and click on Download Documentation. What this is going to do is download a zip file that is organized by manufacturer that I had in this project. And it breaks down to even the parts that I had purchased in this project. So I'm going to click on this transformer here. And now I have the spec sheet for the transformer as well as the terms of sale. This is a great helpful tool, huge time saver, especially for submittals. So I have all of these spec sheets and installation guides available basically with the click of a button. You can also access this tool in our list function. So again, you need to create a list, and you will hover over the Actions button and download the documents for all of the parts that you have in this list. The final way is maybe you have an order that you've already placed and you'd like the documents for all of the parts in that order. So you can go to your orders, click on the order that you're looking for, and again, hover over this Actions button and download the documents. This will download all the spec sheets, warranty, everything that we have available on our site for these specific parts. Let's say you only want one of the spec sheets, you can click on that individual part and you have them here ready for you to download. I hope you found this video helpful. Please reach out to me or anyone on the Jackson team if you have any questions. Thank you.